Ms. Kanimuri, I want to ask you that till Ms. Jayalalitha was alive, there was a major vote bank that she commanded, which was the women voters in Tamil Nadu. I want to ask you this time, is it going to be that section which is what you represent in the DMK as the Women's Wing Secretary, that will be your target audience in these elections to try and win over the women voters into the DMK fold? Is that going to be the biggest assignment that you as a woman leader would be holding?
No, I don't think there is any assignment to any particular section given to anybody, but I think women understand that this government has not done anything for them, and especially when you talk about women's safety, there's whether it is their children or women from any age group, there's no safety for them. Recently we saw a IPS officer who was harassed, and she was not even allowed to come to Chennai to complain to her superiors. She was first she was threatened by somebody who works with her that she should not go to Chennai and complain, and on her way to Chennai she was again stopped by another IPS officer who was on her same level, another IPS officer called Mr. Kannan, who stopped her with 50 police officers, and he threatened her that she should not go to Chennai to come give her complaint, and in spite of all that, this officer comes to Chennai, and even today she is under threat, and only after the court made very strong comments asking why the officer who harassed this particular IPS officer has not been suspended. Did the government even take a step to suspend the officer? So if this is what is happening to a IPS officer who's supposed to be protecting other women in the state, what is the plight of a common woman who has nobody to protect them? This is a plight of women in Tamil Nadu, and we all cannot forget what happened. Nearly more than 250 women have been affected in the racket which happened in Pollachi. We don't know if families and women are still being threatened, still being blackmailed, and they have not got any justice. And what happens to the human rights issues here? 13 people were killed in the protests against Sterlite. And what did the government do? In Satankulam, father and son, Jayaraj and Venix were killed. What did the government do? They were only trying to protect the people who killed the father and son. And the chief minister, when asked by the press and media, his answer was that they were not well, they were unwell. They were breathless, and both the father and son died because of breathing problems. So is this what women will vote for? Definitely not. And basic amenities, basic facilities and needs have not been met. Even Tamil Nadu has always been proud of its PDS. But today, when they go to the ration shops, they've been made to go back and come again and again and again. Women are fed up with this government.